Okay, so as you just saw, here is my good old new wire, and it seems to be pretty strong. Won't be as good as something that was made at the factory, but let's test it out to find out if it even works, because if it doesn't work, then what was the whole point of the tutorial, right? What was the point? If you can't even get it to work, what's the point of the tutorial? Right? Don't try this at home. This could start a fire, knowing how crazy. Whoa. Did not start a fire, but the scissors fell. Okay. All right, let's see here. Where's the on button? There we go. It's a rear-wheel drive, so I just need to lift this bit. See? All right. Looking good. I have smooth power all the way around. Perfect. It worked. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one.